don't know how to respond to that.
No, I'm not talking to you. Hello everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a unboxing of the Apple silicone case for iPhone XsMax, and it's in product red. I did a video in the past regarding this case right here. It's the pink sand, and I tried to find colors around my house which is like this. I think people liked it. I don't know if there are people that's like doing this color comparison, but I think this would help some of you. I bought this a couple of weeks ago and I didn't really have the time to unbox it, so I'm doing it finally right now and I cannot wait to use it tomorrow, so that's why we are doing it today. A few stuff in here that is red and compare it. Without further ado, here is the unboxing of the Apple silicone case in product red. So I bought this at Best Buy. I am going to unbox it now. Not showing it to you guys because I got my address in here. And then here it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. I've never had a red iPhone case before, so this would be my first. I love the packaging. I'm so obsessed with how Apple package their products. In the past, I have said that this case have wear and tear even if you've used it for like a few months or something, but I'm gonna tell you guys what's the secret. It's not magic and everything, but it might help you in the future if you get one of these. Watch out, and I'm gonna tell you in the last part of this video.
If I could just like watch this the whole night,
because it's just so pretty. Let's move on and just open this and try it on our phone. I press this one right here with the arrow, and then there you go. Okay. Oh my god. It looks kind of pale in the video, but in here, well, it seems kind of like red orange closer. So I know you guys have seen this already before, but let's just enjoy how pretty this case is. Right there you go. So in here it's like a velvety feel. Feels so good whenever I touch it, and I feel like there's more grip with the silicone case. The only problem with this chips so easily even if you just use it for a few months. So we're gonna put my phone on our new Apple silicone case right there.
I don't know how to respond to that.
No, I'm not talking to you. Look at this. Not that red. It's like an orange red or maybe pink red. Oh my god, this is so nice. Hello. When I'm dressing my phone, it's just the best thing ever. I have an obsession of dressing my phone up, like especially with this color. It just looks really seductive. Now the first thing that I'm gonna compare it with is I have a Russell Stover container in here that I got from Valentine's Day. So it's this kind of like glossy, whatever you call it, but I want to put the red in here. Of course it's silicone, so it's kind of matte. So this seems like super red with glossiness on it. So much difference in there. This is the first one right there. The second one that I'm going to show you is this CPR rescue mask for adult and infant. Got it in school. Kind of nice because, you know, you can put this in your car and just in case there's emergencies and stuff, you can just get it and help save life. Now here it is. This is really red, deep red, and this is still showing that it's orange red. The third one that I'm gonna show you is what is this, guys? This is actually, it's dirty. It's actually a heels, and I use this as a phone stand like that. And so whenever I'm cooking, I wanna like look at my recipe and stuff, so this helps a lot. Love this. But we will compare it with the product red. Again, this heels, it's super red, and this one, the side where it's saying I am red, but well, I still want to be a part of the orange red area. It's shouting that I'm red, but it's not as red as the heels phone holder. It's still saying orange red for me. Our next red would be my school bag. Fortunately, I got a school bag that's color red. So here it is. It's the Longchamp large bag. Really red. It's kind of dirty because I've been using it ever since I started school. But this is how it looks like. And again, I am going to put the Apple Silicone Case product red. Oh man, it is still friggin' light. Like, all the reds that I put in here are super deep red, and this is just like, maybe because it's matte. Okay, this bag is really heavy. So I got 4 total already of items that I saw here in my house, but I have 2 more stuff or 3 more stuff that I'm gonna show you guys. 5th one is going to be the Pom Poms. So I got this red Pom Poms from Michael Kors, and I kinda broke it. I just need to stitch this or sew this so that I could use this again. I have a feeling that this is the same color as the product red. Then we are going to pair it with the case, silicone case. There you go. See, it's still super red, and this is still like pale red. Back, front. My phone is dirty. This one is orangey red. So the next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is I have a speaker here. I got this from Best Buy, and it is the brand is Insignia. Let us see how it looks like with the silicone case. Guys, I think we found a match. Or no? Yeah, I think we found a match. This is just a little bit glossy, but and this is matte, that's why. But this seems like super red too. Love comparing the colors, guys. A little bit close, I guess. What do you think? Close or not even close? Okay, the last one is going to be the red side of my Louis Vuitton bag. This is not clean, so I hope you guys understand. And I have coins in here, so it would be kind of loud, but here it goes. Oh, what do you think? Is it close or not close? Kind of close? Yeah, it seems kind of close. There. I hope it's not blurry. I love it. So that's how it looks like. Pretty. I think I'm loving this color already. because it's not in the deep red. I think that makes it more unique. Guys, it's so pretty. Okay, I just realized that I have a iPod product red in here, so I'm filming this separately just to show you guys. And so as you can see, the iPod is more glossy and or shiny, and it's kind of deeper in color red. So I can definitely say that the iPhone silicone case is more on the red orange side. I love it. And it feels lighter on my phone, feels lighter with this. I don't know, maybe just because it's new. A couple of red stuff around here in my house, and most of them are really deep red. Closest one I think was this one, the speakers and the interior side of my Louis Vuitton bag. Definitely be closer to this red, product red iPhone silicone case for iPhone XS Max. I'm gonna tell you the secret now. So I have watched a couple of product red videos showing the silicone case for iPhone XS Max, because before I bought this case, I went to YouTube and looked for any iPhone XS Max product red silicone case, and I've watched quite a few, but there is one video that really caught my attention and gave me a really good idea. So the problem of my Apple silicone cases, they like have tears right after 5 months of using. So I bought mine October, if I am right. I think it was October, month right after I bought the iPhone XS Max. And so maybe I observed right in January or February that the ends of right here is having tear. You don't see any tear right here, because what happened is I went to the Apple store, brought my old one, showed it to them that I have a tear, a chip right on this side. So I went to the store, showed this to them that the case is chipped and they would replace it with a new one. Isn't it cool? So I tried it on my store, Apple store right here in Michigan. It's actually in Lansing. It's kind of far from here, from where I am. It's like a 2-hour drive. It's worth the drive. So I went there and then went to the store, brought my old one without the packaging in there. I just took it off from my phone and then hid my phone. Then told them, hey, I bought this case a few months ago and it's already started shipping. So she said like, okay, I can replace it for you. I just need your email address, your address, and I think that's it. As long as it is a new iPhone, then they could replace it. So she took my my email address. She took my address and then took it from this case and just gave me this one, because they need this packaging right here to put the old one that chipped, and so that they could send it to the Apple recycling center or something. I was like a happy customer because I got a new case, pink sand case right here. I didn't have to buy a new one, like pay for another 39 bucks. I have to find that person that I watched on YouTube that gave a suggestion about just going to the store and show them that it's chipped and they're gonna replace it with a new one. So I'm really happy that I saw that video. Kind of hesitant when I went to the Apple store because I'm not really sure if they're gonna replace it for me, but it worked. So if you guys have this kind of phone or a newer phone and you bought a silicone case or maybe a leather case and you have problems with it, you can go to the store and tell them you have problems with it. Just show them that it has chips, so they're just gonna give it to you for free. And yeah, that's really awesome. As for me as a customer, I'm really happy that they do that, so I'm not worried about future circumstances when my phone chips. And you know, I have a new one right here, so if this chips, I could just go to the Apple store and ask them to replace this for me. So yeah, that's really awesome, and that's the secret that I want to tell you guys. So I told you. So yeah, I have a video that I made before I went to the Apple store. I'm gonna show it right now. So I'm gonna test if the Apple store will gonna replace a new one for my iPhone silicone case. So we'll see if they would do that. And then yeah, I don't know if they're gonna change it, replace it, but we'll see. And a video right after I got out of the Apple store. So guys, I got a new silicone case. Awesome! They replaced a new one. See, it's super new. So yeah, I was so happy that I have a new silicone case. Such a happy Apple customer. I found out also that on the Apple Store website they have a new red hibiscus silicone case, which is really nice. So I'm going to, it's right like that, posted for spring collection. So I think the product red is super red than the hibiscus, because the hibiscus is super pale red. So I guess yeah, it's for springtime, so that's why they did it like that. I still like to use this one in springtime and in the summer. Guess that is it. Again, the case cost 39 bucks, 41.34 including taxes. I think that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the comparison of our red stuff here. We're after with the red color, and again, my goal in this video is to help you see what kind of red this is, and if you want to get it, it's really pretty in real life. And if you look at it far, it's kind of deep red, but it's not. So I guess this ends my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.